everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you are not new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Today I just filmed this get ready with me while I created this matte makeup look and me curling my hair. This is 4 bundles, 22, 24, 26, and 28, and I got it for under $200 from Amazon. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you would like to know the details of where I got this hair. It came jet black and I just colored it myself. If you are interested in seeing me create this look, keep watching. So here's me looking busted, and I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This is the same routine that I always do. Same products, honestly, except for one palette, and I'll leave everything in the description box. So be sure to check that out. I decided to do a matte cut crease because I do them on my clients all the time and I love them on them, but I've never done one on myself, so I just decided to go for it. And honestly, it turned out way better than I thought. Using a black eyeshadow was not in my plan at first, but I figured with blonde hair and just brown eyeshadow, something was gonna look flat and like washed out. So I added black for a little definition in my cut crease. And with black, I know that it's scary using a black eyeshadow, but just add it a little bit and build it up and go from there, because like I always say, it's easier to add eyeshadow than it is to take it away. As you will see, after applying my concealer, I took a blending brush that's kind of fluffy and I used it to pat out the concealer onto my lid, because the last thing that you want to do if you're doing a matte cut crease is to apply matte eyeshadow over concealer that has not been blended out, because you will get some blotches and that's just not it. And for the same reason, I'm applying the matte eyeshadow with the fluffy blending brush too, because it just blends better and it creates like this kind of like airbrush effect. And the same colors that I'm applying to my outer corners of my lid are the same colors that I used in my crease. I'm applying my new 25mm minks in the style Next Level, and at the time this video is posted, there was one pair left, so there should be another pair left if you would like to purchase those. I'm using this eyeliner pencil that I got from Sleek, and for me, like, I always thought an eyeliner pencil is just an eyeliner pencil, but this one changed everything, and I'll leave it in the description box, like what color it is and everything, but I love it. My camera wasn't recording when I did my lip combination, but it's the same combo that I always use, which is my NARS liquid lipstick in the color Area and then the Crayon Case lip gloss. I can't remember that name off the top of my head, but it'll be in the description box. If I'm not mistaken, it's in the shade Twerk. Alright, onto my hair. I'm using a regular old Conair. I guess that's how you say it. I've never known how to say it. But I'm using that curling iron. It's really not like wide as you can see, but it gets the job done. And I'm curling away from my face. Yes, this is a wig that I made myself. I just used some Got To Be spray to install it, and what I do at night is just tie my hair down, you know, around the perimeter and put a bonnet on, and that's it. Without the closure, I paid about $190 for this hair. And to me, that's not bad at all because look at it. I mean, it does everything that you need it to do without paying $300 for, you know, 28 inches of hair. So if you would like for me to do a video of like some affordable hair companies that I've ordered from, then just give me a thumbs up on this video. As always, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe if you haven't already and give me a thumbs up if you would like to know the details of this hair. Just stay tuned for my next video.